Want to make sure your Fiverr gig appears when clients search for your services? In this video, I'll show you the smart way to include keywords throughout your gig to boost your visibility without sounding robotic. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using the right keywords is crucial for appearing in Fiverr's search results, but it's all about placement and natural integration. Let me show you where and how to use them effectively. First, identify your core keywords. Think about what your ideal client would type into the search bar. Be specific. Instead of just designer, consider logo designer, brand identity designer, or minimalist logo designer. Use Fiverr's search suggestions to find popular terms. Your gig title is prime keyword real estate. Place your most important keyword at the beginning, followed by descriptive modifiers. For example, logo designer for startups, modern minimalist business logo design. In your gig description, naturally weave keywords into your paragraphs and bullet points. Instead of stuffing them awkwardly, focus on creating helpful content that naturally includes these terms. For instance, as your dedicated logo designer, I'll create a custom business logo that captures your brand's essence. A crucial pro tip: use the search tags feature strategically. Fiverr allows you to add specific tags that help the algorithm understand your gig. Use all 5 tag slots with relevant variations of your main keywords, including both broad and specific terms. Don't forget about your FAQ section and package descriptions. These are additional opportunities to naturally include keywords while providing valuable information to potential clients. And just like that, you've optimized your gig for both clients and search algorithms. Strategic keyword use helps the right clients find you while maintaining a natural, professional tone. If this keyword strategy helps improve your gig's visibility, please give it a like. What's been your biggest challenge with Fiverr keywords? Share your experience in the comments below. To take your gig to the next level, subscribe for our next video on how to add a video to your Fiverr gig. Thanks for watching.